In this playbook, I'll show you how to define what a complete product is, create a view that highlights missing information, and use that to focus on products that still need attention, so you'll know what to fix before they're live. And the best part is that you only have to set this up once. First, let's define what makes a product complete. In Plytix, this can be done using Completeness Attributes. These let you define required fields for your products, and it automatically assigns them a completeness score so you can quickly find missing information. To do that, then we'll head to the Settings tab. Here's where you can find all the product fields in your account, or like we call them in Plytix, attributes. A quick pro tip here is that you can actually group those fields based on purpose or channel, like I did here for my Shopify group, so that you can quickly find those relevant fields, and that will come in handy when we create the completeness. To create a new completeness, we'll click here, and then I'll name mine Shopify Completeness, and I'll choose the right format here. This is where I can choose what fields are required for my products to be considered complete. In my case, I want to create a completeness for my Shopify store, so I've already grouped my main Shopify fields here. And the good thing about this is that I can include things like images, description, pricing, or any product specs that you want to include in your completeness. And then I'll just click create. Now what's next? I'll be able to see the completeness scores that were generated for my products here in the All Products page. Now I just need to add it to my view here, Shopify Completeness. And we'll move it to the top so I'll be able to see it better. And now I'm getting a clear view of how complete my products are. You'll be able to see here that some products are 100% ready, others are still missing some information. And the best part is that I can actually hover over and I see exactly what's missing in my product. Now, let's say you only want to see products that are missing information. This is really easy to set up. I can actually create a filter here for my completeness. And I'll define a condition here that says that it doesn't equal 100%. Now, if I want to add a missing field here, like the vendor, I can actually select my products, change it quickly here, and my completeness score will automatically update based on the new content that I added. What if I want to save this view to keep working on my products later? I can quickly do it here, save as new view, and we'll name it Shopify Incomplete Products. Now this will save my view exactly as I wanted, including the filters that I applied, so I only see incomplete products. This way I can keep track of how many products I still need to work on, and this list will automatically update as I keep adding information. And that's it. No more manual checks to see if your products have the information they need before they hit your store.